This comes with 1.5 liter smart hybrid technology. Okay. It comes with K-series engine which produces 105 bhp with 77 kilowatts of power with 113 Newton meter of torque.
Front headlight, what we're getting different?
The front headlamp will be getting LED projector headlamps with auto light height adjuster, and this is a DRL, which makes it more appealing and which makes it look more bolder. The overall projector headlamp assembly and the front bonnet hood, which is a horizontal vertical grills, make it look more appealing and aggressive.
Down we can normal fog light.
At the bottom, you'll be getting halogen fog lamp, where you'll be getting a chrome bezels in it, which will be improving the look of the car. Second thing, coming to the
This is top end, na? This is top end.
so this is a top trim.
Petrol, na?
Yeah, petrol top trim. This will be getting 205 65 R16 inch tires. Okay. And the beautiful thing about this car is, if you're comparing with any other vehicle of this category, the car will be getting with all 4 disc brakes, front and rear. Both the tires, all 4 disc brakes will be getting. And in terms of safety functions, you'll be getting ABS, EBD, and all 4 disc brakes. And when it comes at the rear, you'll be getting all leather upholstery, and this rear seat is 2-step adjustment. You can recline the seat by 1 step back, and you'll be getting cup holders with center armrest.
We don't get cigarette charger away.
Sorry?
Rear AC cigarette is not there.
You won't be getting rear AC vents because it's coming with automatic climatic controller, which improves the cooling capacity of the car. And it is loaded with 1.5 ton AC, so better fuel efficiency.
The boot space increased by the old S-Cross or the same?
The boot space remains the same. You can increase the boot space of the S-Cross by removing this parcel tray.
So how much will be getting increasing by? How much will be increasing boot space after removing this tray?
So the normal boot space, if you are going for this, see, 353 liters is a boot space. You can make it 373 liters.
After removing the board seat, the 60-50 fit seats, no?
Yes, you get 60-40 split seats. If you fold all 4 arm seats, you'll be getting 810 liters of boot space.
Bigger boot space.
Yes, you'll be getting a massive boot. In case if you're planning for shifting or anything, if you're commuting for a long distance, you get a more boot space in this car.
And you can the sleep also around.
Yeah, easily you can sleep in that. And when you're coming to the rear, you'll be getting rear washer with wiper.
This is the defogger, no? Like
You get a defogger in this. These are all the defogger lines. Rear wiper with washer will be getting.
And the LED lights are changed. The tail lights are same only.
The tail lamp remains the same. You'll be getting combination headlamp, tail lamp, where this is all LED. It comes all LED. The tail lamp structure comes LED. Only the indicator light. The left of the right
This is a
indicator light.
hybrid version. This is hybrid
This
version.
is a smart hybrid vehicle.
Hybrid means this is petrol come battery car, no?
This works on petrol and battery, where battery in a sense will be getting torque assist function, brake energy regeneration, and idle start-stop function. You get keyless entry function in this. Coming to interior, I will So this is electrically adjustable, speed sensible power steering. You'll be getting audio controls in this. So this is a volume control, track changing, modes, and then you'll be getting volume control function. You even get cruise control function in this. So once you cross 40 km speed and once you are crossing 4th gear, you can engage it for cruise control and drive it. Second thing is you can get electrically foldable mirrors.
That's a old feature.
Yes, you get electrically foldable mirrors, driver side auto up and down with anti-pinch function.
What is anti-pinch function?
So what is anti-pinch function is, suppose you go for a toll and when you're giving your ticket, once when you put your hand, if your window gets touched for the hand, it comes down, it doesn't go up continuously, so that it avoids hand damages. And then third, you get automatic climatic controller in this. And the fourth thing is 7.8 inch, 17.8 centimeter touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is Smart Studio. So you have more of the upgraded functions and features in this. Like
this is SIM card version, no?
Sorry?
You have to come to SIM card.
No, you don't be getting USB slot in this because it comes with online map.
Online in Map India. No?
Yes, map. You will be getting online maps. So in case if there is any traffic congestion, anything, whatever is there, it is completely getting online updated.
For that we need a SIM card also, no?
You need not need a SIM card. You have to just connect your lightning card in this. Once you connect a lightning card for your mobile, it will start taking the data from the internet.
Mobile phone, no?
Yes. And the top variant comes with active subwoofer function. You'll be getting 4 speakers, 2 tweeters at front. One is there and another is here. And you'll be getting active subwoofers and 4 speakers at the door panel.
Okay. It is a chilled glove box, no?
You won't be getting chilled glove box as we have automatic climatic controller. Whatever you keep in the cabin temperature you set, that remains the same temperature.
It is increased, no? Glove box increased, same only.
It remains the same.
What's the engine we are getting? Engine options?
I'll show you.
This is 1.4,
So
no?
this is 1.5 liter 1500cc smart hybrid engine. So in this you'll be getting additional component called ISG, integrated starter generator motor, which is again connected with the lithium ion battery in the car.
Okay, it's basically hybrid car you're telling. Petrol tank
This is partially hybrid. What happens? It takes, if you're accelerating, you need not, if you go for a conventional engine, you have to accelerate hard. But the torque assist function, what it does is, it gives you an initial pull from the battery which is there in the car. The lithium ion battery gives an additional energy.
Because I've seen these features in the Swift Desire and Brezza and lot of cars in
Swift
market.
Desire and Brezza, if you're going to compare, you get a hybrid technology where auto start stop function is
The
coming in.
feature is there, Swift hybrid feature that I asked.
Apart from auto start function, you get torque assist function in this and brake energy regeneration. So you need not charge the battery automatically.
That's a new feature you're telling.
Yes, this gets additional features compared to.
When the battery never gets down.
Sorry?
Battery never gets down.
Yes, battery never gets down because this conventional battery takes care of all the electronic components like headlamps, AC and
Because running only the battery gets down, you're telling.
yeah, the alternative which is there in the car takes care of charging of the battery for the conventional battery. The lithium battery which is there for smart hybrid technology is taken care from the kinetic
For
energy.
how much
Which
kilometer
is,
you have to change this battery? Or hybrid battery you have to change the lithium battery?
no. This is not a hybrid battery. This is a conventional battery for the only electric part of the
How
car.
much kilometer will come to repair this for how many years?
See, battery warranty 24 months you will be getting from the manufacturer. We don't give warranty for the battery. But the lithium ion battery which is there, as of now, it is a lifetime battery. Right?
How much variants are getting in S-Cross now currently?
Sorry?
Variants are
You
getting?
will be getting 4 variants in the manual transmission. One is Sigma, the entry level, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. The top trim which you are seeing now is the top trim, Alpha.
Top them, Alpha. In
And
base,
in automatics if you are going, you will be getting Delta, Zeta and Alpha.
automatic mean is like dual, no? Dual manual come automatic you're telling, no?
No, you won't be getting. That is AMT function. This is a purely automatic transmission, AT.
Because earlier the Maruti Celerio had that feature, no?
Celerio comes with AMT. That is a different gearbox.
That feature, the manual come automatic that
Yes,
feature, no?
but this is different, sir. This is called as AT, a conventional automatic transmission system.
Like what are colors are getting in this car currently? Colors, some companies like colors.
Colors, you'll be getting 5 colors in this. One is the Nexa Blue, the premium signature color.
And nothing grey, no?
Then you'll be getting this thing gray, which is standing out. And Coalatic white. And apart from that, you will be getting brown color.
Totally 4 colors. In basic, we don't get that automatic control feature and the under clapper you're telling, no?
You'll be getting automatic climatic controller and you'll be getting Apple CarPlay with Android Auto.
For the basic, we don't get that, no?
In basic version, you'll not be getting. You'll be getting from the Zeta version.
Only from mid-variant and top end you're telling.
From Zeta version, the next level of from the middle version.
Middle version. Basic is beta you're telling.
Basic is Sigma.
Sigma.
Then comes Delta.
Delta.
After Delta, you get Zeta. After Zeta, it's Alpha.
This is Alpha and
This
Sigma.
is the top trim Alpha.
Alpha. Zeta and Alpha gets that adapter system and automatic climate control you're
The
telling.
difference for Zeta and Alpha would be, one would be your automatic rain sensing wipers. So you get the rain sensing wipers in the car.
Whenever the rain gets automatically, it activates the wiper. But that's a very old feature, I think. So that feature was there in the Fiat Linea had that feature, no? Long
What has
back.
happened is Maruti Suzuki takes care of the customers in terms of more of electronic engagement. Yes, you end up spending more of amount in maintenance. So basic feature, whatever is required for the customers, apart from with upgraded technology of the smart hybrid.
Because rain sensor was there in Fiat Linea also, no?
Yes, true.
There is a old feature for that. Now they're giving us cross, no? For that way also old feature, no? That automatic rain feature you're telling, no?
No, it depends. See, earlier Fiat had it, but none of the other brand had it. There are very few premium cars which were there.
What's the booking amount the customer should pay for booking
The
this
booking
car?
amount for the blocking of this car is 11,000 rupees.
We can book it in an extra website also, and you can book it here
book
also.
it in Nexa website, and even you can walk into the showroom, or we even have different streams of.
The variant for the cost price is not there still.
The pricing has to be unveiled.
Only currently the vehicle has been launched.
Yes, as of now it's the basic trim. The approximate manufacturing ex-showroom cost will cost you around 9,98,000 to 9,60,000.
That is same. That is Zeta variant, no?
No, that is also Alpha variant.
One for tester is that.
That's for tester and this is for the display.
And this also diesel also is there. You're telling.
Diesel variant. Diesel, sir.
Only petrol variant. 4 variants variant. You're telling.
Yes, smart hybrid technology with petrol.
Additional accessories what we can get from the company side if customer will book it.
So basic accessories you will be getting is the carpet mat. Then you will be getting the interior styling kit.
Carpet mat, it's a 4D mat or a normal mat?
You will be getting a carpet mat, sir.
That one is a 4D mat you're telling, no?
Yes.
And the carpet, what are the features I get?
You will be getting rear cushion pillows, car care kit, mobile charger.
What is car care kit you're telling? What's
car
that
care kit will be having microfiber cloth, glass cleaner, and interior polish, exterior polish.
All the safety to wipe the safety you're telling. We get it. And after the third feature you're telling? Third feature we getting?
Third feature they are getting mobile holder with mobile charger.
And that also is a high-end type we're getting. It's not a basic mobile charger.
No. Yeah, you will be getting fast charger, sir. You will be getting fast charger.
How much is that fast charger? 18 watts, no?
Yes, sir. 18 watts.
Only for this car we're getting that feature. I think the company is giving a fast charger with mobile holder.
Even you will be getting, as per the standard government norms, reverse parking sensors will be coming. And the top trim and then one below this, Zeta will be getting with a rear camera, which improves your visibility at taking reverse.
Basic also has a range.
Basic version comes only with the reverse parking sensors.
And the safety feature, ABS, ABD, that's feature.
The safety features remains the standard.
How much airbags are you think airbags? 6.
You get the dual airbags in this. Apart from that, we get Nexa safety shield.
What is the next shield you are telling? Safety shield?
The Nexa safety shield comes with crumple zone, and it even gives you an impact like front impact, offset impact, side impact beams and all are there in the car.
Some passenger comes that which I saw in the paper.
Yes.
And what is the competitor for this car currently in the other car compared with this S-Cross?
So as of now, we compare it with Creta. And there are other competitors who are coming into the market.
But when you come to Creta looks very bulky and heavy, height-wise, and you can't compare Creta.
Yeah, because what happens in Creta, your height of the car is different. There is a minimum amount of difference there in the car. Only the height you feel it's more
because
appealing.
Creta features you can't compare with S-Cross, no? The features what they're getting top end of features. They're getting a sunroof in Creta,
Sir,
top
yes,
end
but
variant.
at the end of the day, you're paying for that again. When you're going to buy a total top spec Creta, an on-road price in Bangalore, if you're going, it will cost you somewhere around 19.5 to 20 lakhs.
No, because they're giving a sunroof feature is there in Creta, but sunroof is not there in Maruti, no?
Sunroof feature is very good feature actually. People enjoy having sunroof. But what happens in sunroof is, sir, see, at the end of the day, any rubber particles, even your wiper blades,
water you are telling,
wiper blades, if you have seen, you replace it for every 6 months or 1 year, depending on the usage. Okay. So the sunroof is molded with a rubber particle.
If water enters, the seat will get...
the seat, instead of seat getting damaged, sir, you will end up paying more on the maintenance of that.
What is this feature?
So this is for keyless entry function. So once you have a key in a pocket, if you press this, it will get unlocked and you can open the rear door.
Okay. It has a new feature in this class, this cross.
Yes.
Because in Creative one has that feature, manually you have to open. You have the key to show how the key. How the key will come, like normal what you get.
No, it's going to be keyless entry, sir.
Keyless entry, normal what you get in Baleno,
Yes,
shift same key, yes. That type. It's like a flip key, you're telling, no?
Yes.
Flip key version, you're telling.
True.
Flip key with central locking and that will the boot opening you get, no?
Yes.
Flip key will open the boot also, no? Automatically.
Yes, it will open the boot.
Is there an app anything Maruti? Is there official app from Maruti we can install? Is there an Nexa for Maruti?
No.
Official app.
We don't have any official.
Because like another company we have apps now where you can engine start engine when we're using app.
You don't get any official app, sir, but you get a telematic device service called Suzuki Connect where you can keep track on your vehicle status, driving status.
If anything is stolen, we can check that totally.
Yes, sir.
It's an app or what it's like
Sir,
basically?
it is a telematic device which gets fitted in the car and which can be operated through your cell phone.
You are telling it's basically a GPS system, no? You're telling? anti-GPS system.
It is more, we don't say it as a GPRS system because it is having more upgraded features in compared to the GPRS system. GPRS only tracking happens, but in this drive status, drive status, vehicle behavior, in case if your electronics is on, even you get all the intimation in that.
In kiosk, we can start a vehicle, no? In kiosk, we can automatically start a car.
Yes, in key itself you have to start it.
No, outside we can start the car using
You
key.
cannot start the car, you can just unlock the car.
In basic, we don't get a mag totally.
In the entry level, you don't
Only for Zeta and
You
Alpha.
start getting the mag from Delta version.
Delta, Zeta and Alpha totally. Basic will be normal
A steel rim, sir.
steel gems. Mean wheel cap telling, no?
Yes,
Wheel cap version totally.
wheel cap.
And the size will be same for all the car, all the
The
versions.
wheel dimension remains the same.
R15 only.
Yes, 16 inch.
16 inch. The width height everything same only. Compared to world, World Express.
Remains the same.
But Express took so many. It took 1 year to launch, no? Last year Express was on there Express, no?
Yes, sir. Actually, what happened is, as per the new emission norms, it took a pretty time to get launched because earlier we had 1.3 liter diesel engine with SHVS. Now the engine has been upgraded for 1500 cc with smart vehicle technology.
It's taken around 1.5 years it has taken to launch the vehicle. When it's taken 1.5 years it has taken to
It's
launch
not taken 1.5 year, approximately it has taken almost around 8 to 9 months. Let's say 1 year.
because to 2018,
It would get launched because of this COVID-19 and pandemic issues. It has got delayed.
because in 2018 we saw the car, no? 2018. After that we now are seeing the
2019 also the car was there.
BS4 engine.
BS4 engine was there.
Because in showroom I didn't see this car. In extra showroom for that I just asked. In this showroom the car was not there, that display. No?
Okay.
Last year I reviewed that Excel 6 RGB.
Yeah, when you had reviewed XL6, actually the car was not in the display. That's all.
For that. Okay. Thanks.
Fine.